LiquiPrep LP804, the new standard for material preparation and feeding. Pump up your line design. Clear, streamlined, powerful. Pump up your usability. Operation from one side. Easy maintenance access, direct visual control, and all in the right place. That way, you save time and money. Pump up your material quality. Perfectly prepared potting material is essential for an ideal dispensing process. The new agitator with its large dispersion and degassing plate and the conical container shape ensure optimum material quality. The central temperature measurement ensures a perfectly tempered potting medium. Pump up your productivity. Even minimal quantities can be processed reliably. If the required production output changes, a gradual volume increase up to 50 litres is possible. The investment in a larger system is thus not necessary. Pump up your performance. The new diaphragm pump stands out due to its high wear resistance and ease of maintenance. Thanks to state-of-the-art sensor technology, the optimum filling level is independently determined and thus ensures outstanding feeding performance. Pump up your user experience. As digitalization progresses, a new, particularly intuitive control unit is essential to improve usability. Enter a new level with the new material preparation and feeding system from Scheugenpflug. LiquiPrep LP804.